My name is Earl Lauren.
What is your birthday?
March 19th, 1891.
Where were you born?
I was born in Los Angeles, California.
What's your home state?
California.
Where did you go to school?
I went to UC Berkeley for legal studies.
What important work did you do before serving on the Supreme Court?
I was a governor of California, and I was also the Attorney General.
What year were you appointed?
In 1953.
Who were you appointed by?
President Eisenhower.
What would you say was your key opinion on the Supreme Court?
My greatest contribution to the government was my opinion on the reappointment cases.
And what year did you retire?
I retired in 1969.
So what was the case Gideon versus Wainwright about?
It was about a man, Gideon, who was convicted of breaking and entering, and when he went to court, he couldn't afford a lawyer, so he asked for one, and they wouldn't provide one for him because they only provided them for people on the capital level. So he ended up going to prison for his original sentence was to go to prison for 5 years, and he ended up fighting it, and it went back to court, and they decided that it was a unanimous decision that it was unfair for him to not receive a lawyer because he couldn't properly defend himself.
What did you vote?
Just like everyone else, I voted in favor of Gideon.
And why did you vote that way?
I voted this way because it was really obvious that he couldn't defend himself properly because he didn't have the right education for that. So it was an unfair trial for him to not have a lawyer. And under the 14th and 6th Amendments, he has the right to a lawyer even on the state level.
What impact did this have on the U.S.?
Basically, it set the precedent for, the rest of time. So now everyone always has the right to a lawyer, no matter what level of the court they're on.